Hello students, welcome to my class. In the last class, we have discussed that quadratic equation by applying formula also. Now also, we will go ahead with this one, means applying formula, we can do some other question. Suppose some root or A, B like that one question if you have, then also we can do. Just one question, question number 15, you are having 2 root 3x square minus 5x plus root 3 equal to 0. Like the previous question also, we can do that one with the help of the quadratic formula. So it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a equal to 2 root 3, b equal to minus 5, c equal to root 3. So first of all we will see the d. D's formula is what? B square minus 4ac. If we do that one, directly we write minus 5 square minus 4 into a means 2 root 3 into root 3. So ultimately 25 minus 4 to 8 root 3 3 means 24. So it is coming 1, that is also greater than 0. Therefore roots are real. So d equal to 1, so you can say root d is also equal to root 1 means 1 it will be. Now by applying formula, by quadratic formula, we get roots are given by alpha equal to, you know, first root minus b plus root d by 2a. So ultimately here it will be minus b means minus minus plus 5 plus root d means 1 by 2a, 2 into a means 2 root 3. So देखो तो what it is coming, 6 by 2 into 2 root 3, 2 into 2 root 3. That means if you cancel 3 by 2 root 3 or more simplification if you do, then it will be root 3 by 2. You can write 3 by 2 root 3 or it will be root 3 by 2. Another root, beta equal to minus b minus root d by 2a. So same thing it will be minus b means 5 minus 1 by 2 into 2 root 3. So 4 by 4 root 3, or you can say 1 by root 3. Like that you can flip, otherwise root 3 by 3 you can say. So in this way this we can do also if you have the root. Now some more types of question by applying quadratic formula. How can you solve? Suppose you are having one question related to a, b like that one you are having. Then check how can we do that one. In your book it is having question number 27. It has come in the board exam also. It is having x square minus 2ax minus 4b square minus a square equal to 0. So this given equation is having the AB. So the standard form also having the AB. So we will say that one in capital form. So not be confused small a and capital A like that one. So it is in the form of, we can say ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Because here a, there a also, so it will be mixed up, that's why it is giving the capital letter. So here it will be a equal to 1, b equal to minus 2a, c equal to minus 4b square minus a square. So first d equal to standard form we have taken capital 1, so b square minus 4ac. So what it will be? B square minus 2a ka square. So ultimately 4a square minus 4 into 1 into minus it will be plus. That will be 4b square minus a square. Check what it is coming. 16b square minus 4a square. So ultimately d is coming 16b square, or root d, you will get its root, so 4b. So simply root d value we got. Now the roots of the equation to be alpha equal to माइनस बी स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म के साथ प्लस रूट डी बाई 2a. So ultimately it will be minus b means minus minus plus 2a plus root d means 4b by 2a. 2 into 1 2. Therefore it will be cancelled by 2 both. So a plus 2b ultimately you got. Second root it will be that beta. Just after that we can do beta equal to we have minus b minus root d by 2a. So again it will be minus b means plus 2a minus d. D root d means what you have 4b. So minus 4b divided by 2a means ultimately you got 2 into 1 2. Again it will be cancelled by 2. So it will be a minus 2. So one root a plus 2b, another root is your a minus 2b. In this way, all these questions you are having with related to a and b, and the last question of this exercise, that's we like to conclude that one. Question number 36 we are having. That's also which are related to the a, b, like this one you are having. So same format, same thing to be. In this form we will think. See that the question what we have. Solve by applying quadratic formula. 12ab x square minus 9a square minus 8b square. देखो larger form it is having. Minus 6ab is equal to 0. A and b not equal to 0 means that is not equal to 0. It is also in the form of same thing. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a, b, c are, check their values first. A equal to, if we compare with the standard form, then it will be 12ab, b equal to minus 9a square minus 8b square, and c equal to minus 6ab. So first of all, d equal to b square minus 4ac. So it will be b square means that square. Minus 9a square minus 8b square is square. Minus 4a. 12ab into minus 6ab. So ultimately, it will be what? Minus का square तो plus it will be. But देखो, same thing will come. It will be 9a square का square plus 8b square का square minus का square plus होगा, but formula is having minus, so 2ab minus 2 into 9a square into 8b square, and here it will be minus minus plus 4 6 24 into 12, 24 into 12 plus it will be, so 12 4 is 48 4, 12 to the 24 and 4 28, 288. AB into AB means it is coming a square b square. So ultimately 9a square whole square plus 8b square का whole square minus c 2 9 18 into 8 144 a square b square. And there you are having 288 a square b square. Here a square plus b square minus 2ab is coming 144. But if you do the calculation, b square का square 9a square का square ultimately in minus 144 plus 288 means plus 144 a square b square is coming. So from there you can say it will be what? After this d is coming, ultimately check करो एक बार, a square plus b square again it is coming same thing but plus आगे means it is plus 2ab. Means you can say a square plus b square plus 2ab, that means 9a square plus 8b square का square. So any square, any whole square must be greater than equal to 0. Therefore roots are real. So root d will be, that's square will be removed, 8b square. That's you got. Then next you are having the solution or the roots. How can we get the root? Same process, same formula. What is that? Roots are given by alpha equal to, you know, here capital minus b plus root d by 2a. So check, minus b means it will be plus, that's one. That means 9a square minus 8b square plus root d, plus that's one, plus 9a square plus 8b square by 2a. 2a means 24ab. So ultimately देखो 8b square will be cancelled. 18a square by 24ab. It is coming to you 18a square by 24ab. It will be cancelled by 6. So what you will get? It will be 6 3 और a cancel हो जाएगा तो 3a by 4b. And second one, it will be beta equal to, same formula to be followed. Beta equal to minus b plus minus root d by 2a, or minus b means that one will be plus 9a square minus 8b square minus root d. Root d how much? This one. It is minus, that means b you got this one. Then minus means minus 9a square minus 8b square by 2a. 2a means same thing, 24ab will come. So again it will be 9a square will be cancelled. So ultimately you are getting minus 16b square by 24ab. So minus 16 means 8 से cancel हो जाएगा and b. तो minus 2b by 3a. So one is 3a by 4b, another root is your minus 2b by 3a. In this way you may have the larger equation that also can be solved by the method of applying formula. In this method any quadratic equation can be solved, and you will complete that exercise 4c. Complete the exercise 4c by applying quadratic formula. Okay, thank you.